Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, we'll explore how ethical hackers use WHOIS and nslookup tools to gather information about websites during the reconnaissance phase. This is for educational purposes only. What is WHOIS? First up, let's talk about WHOIS. WHOIS is a public database that stores information about who owns a domain name. It shows details like registrar, the company that sold the domain, name, email, or organization, when the domain was registered, expiry date, sometimes even phone numbers. Now back into the terminal and type this command. nslookup example.com. This shows the IP address linked to the domain. Now let's go a bit deeper. Type this command, nslookup, and then hit enter. Now type set type equals ns and then hit enter. Then type example.com and hit enter. This tells us the name servers, the backbone DNS servers for the domain. Hackers use this to map out DNS infrastructure, identify misconfigurations, discover subdomains. Want to try hunting subdomains? Use nslookup, hit enter, and then type set type equals any, hit enter. Now type example.com and once again hit enter. But remember, this method won't always reveal hidden records. For more advanced stuff, tools like dig or recon ng are used. Now move into the WHOIS command section. Try the basic WHOIS command. Type this. WHOISexample.com. Uses. Displays domain registration details like registrar name, owner or public, contact email, domain creation and expiry date, name servers. Check WHOIS for an IP address. Type this command. WHOIS 8.8.8.8. Uses shows who owns the IP address, often used to identify hosting provider, ISP or data center, abuse contact email. WHOIS with specific WHOIS server. Now type this command, WHOIS-h whois.verisign-gress.com example.com. Uses targets a specific WHOIS server like .com, .net, etc. for deeper info if the default lookup fails or is limited. WHOIS with grep, filtering output. Now type this command to get a filtering output. WHOISexample.com, grep-e, registrar creation, expiry, email. Uses, filters out important lines for faster recon, useful during quick scans. Check WHOIS of other TLDs. Now let's search for top-level domains of the website. Type whoisexample.org after that. Type whoisexample.net. Uses. WHOIS works for almost any domain extension. .com, .org, .net, .io, etc. The output may vary by country or registry. Note: some registrars hide personal details using privacy protection services, so you may not always see the owner's name or email. So that's how hackers use WHOIS and nslookup to collect valuable information during recon. If you learned something new, drop a like, hit subscribe, and comment which tool we should cover next. Stay ethical, stay safe, and keep hacking smart.